Welcome back, everybody. My name is Jake Allen here with Emblem Vault, and today I'm going to show you how to purchase Namecoin assets on OpenSea. So here we go. How to purchase Namecoin assets on OpenSea. We do have a Medium tutorial as well if you prefer that type of content, so be sure to visit that. So here we are on OpenSea. We're going to go ahead and type in Emblem Vault. You're going to go to the one with 30,000 assets. Always want to verify because there are some fake ones out there. So make sure that there's a ton of ETH traded. There's a ton of owners. And you can even come to the Etherscan and see that there's the V2 deployer with all of these recent purchases and mints and burns. So once you have that confirmed, we can come here and there's two ways to go find some Namecoin assets. Here there are a few. There's Twitter eggs that exists over here, which is a popular Namecoin asset. You can click on the years, 2014 and 2015 is a bunch of Namecoin. There are earlier ones, and this is going to be updated over time. But here I prefer the best way to do this is go and type in all space NMC. And NMC stands for Namecoin. That's the ticker for the token. And once it comes here and loads, you'll see that you could click right here. So 6%, this is 6% of all Emblem Vault assets are Namecoin assets. So it has a decent amount of market share. And you can see here, obviously some are not safe for work. You can see all kinds of various types of tokens. These are domains, there's IDs, there's just random images, there's some new crypto apes, and you have even some larger ones that have to do with Twitter eggs and things, Twitter eggs and blockheads, which I will show you here pretty quickly. So there's a ton that can happen. These are recently sold. So you see the Twitter eggs. These are puny codes, which are from 2011 and on. You have some random ones. You can see that they have some high sale prices. So let's go to the highest one, and then I'll show you how to purchase one. So the highest selling are actually things called blockheads, as you can see here, which were first registered, I should say, in 2014. And then you have the Twitter eggs and some puny codes. As you can see here, first registration date tends to be very important for a lot of these collectors. So here, let's go back to the homepage. I want to show you how to verify these and then how to purchase them. So we're going to go to price to low. We're just going to choose a random domain here. Let's pick up on, we got ID. Let's click here. Let's hit ID Britain. As you can see here, first registration 2014 of November. It's an identity, and you can see the ID / and here's some more information. You want to always make sure that first there's Namecoin in the vault and the asset that it says it is exists in the vault as well. You could come down here. You could see the birth date as in when it was first registered. Namecoin balance says a 2.01. ID / Britain. Unclaimed, very important. So all the signs are there. And we come down here and you're going to verify with these two things. We're first going to go to the vault itself. As we could see, there it is, ID Britain and 2.01 Namecoin. And you come here and even get the further details explained. I always check this just to make sure. You come down here and you can hit view NFT and it'll take you to the name brow, which is the Namecoin Explorer. There's a handful out there. I prefer this one. I think it's the most straightforward and easiest to digest. So we see here, first registration, November 15, 2014. It's been registered since January 31st, 2022. And it was last registered July 10th, 2022, which means in about 8 months, it's going to expire on March 16th, 2023. You can see here the registration history. So it shows again here, November 15th, 2014, first registered. And then there was a gap right here, 7 years, which means that the token was unclaimed. The registry still existed, the token evaporated, and they created this new token. There's a debate out there, which you can go research for yourself on the value behind the tokens, but we're not going to go into that. I'm just going to show you how to purchase this. So this ID, this asset is exactly what exists in this vault. So again, come down here, you could check the history, right? It's been listed, and this does appear to be exactly what it says it is. And so you're simply just going to hit add to cart, and then you could come down here. You could complete your purchase, credit card, debit card, come here, hit complete purchase, and then you just sign away on your MetaMask with the gas fee. And now you've successfully purchased your first Namecoin asset on OpenSea with Ethereum.